Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your email address from your LinkedIn public profile. So what you need to do is just log into your LinkedIn account from their website in your preferred web browser. Then click on this profile right there, labeled as me, right? Then click on setting that privacy right there. So after that, just take your attention to this left part of the page and click on visibility. After that, you need to see there the fourth from the top option. So who can see or download your email address? You're just gonna click on the arrow corresponding to it, and only visible to me. Just choose your options, what you need to do. So that is one way that will hide your email address. So another way is, well, profile discovery using email address. So let's say they know your email address but they cannot see your profile. So there we go again, right? So these are the way how you can hide your email address from your public profile. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.